Hello guys, in this video I will show you two ways to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G without buttons. The first and easiest method is to just swipe down through this control panel on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, proceed to click on the pencil icon at the top over here, and then you just want to click on edit where we have all of this list of icons. Now what you want to do is to locate the take a screenshot icon from the bottom over here. You can see mine, and then you just want to long press on it, then drag it into the list of active icons, and once you're done you just want to click on the done button at the top. Now click on done, and now if you want to just take a screenshot without necessarily pressing on the buttons, you just have to push down all of this list of icons, then tap on the take a screenshot icon, and automatically a screenshot will be taken on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Another way you can actually do it is to use the palm swipe. So by default, the palm swipe feature to take a screenshot is enabled on all Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, and the way you want to use it is to just swipe like so on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, and the screenshot will be taken automatically. If you also want to take a long screenshot, say from a browser, all you just have to do is to open up that long screenshot page. Now using a browser with a long page, all you just have to do is to first of all take the screenshot, maybe using the palm swipe or using the top screenshot icon over here. And once you take the screenshot, you can just keep pressing on this icon. So as you press on it, it keeps on going down and keeps on taking the screenshot. And once you're done, you can just go over to your gallery and you should be able to find all of your screenshots from over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.